Hello and welcome to Selection with Sathi. Today we dive deep into Python's sequence types, list comprehensions, tuples as records, advanced unpacking, slicing tricks, and specialized sequences like array and deque. These are essential for writing idiomatic, efficient Python. List comprehensions are the Pythonic way to build lists. The syntax is expression for item in iterable, optionally with an if condition. In Python 3, variables inside a Listcomp have their own local scope, they don't leak out. Generator expressions use parentheses instead of brackets. They yield items lazily, one at a time, saving memory for large datasets. Tuples are not just immutable lists, they're records where position gives meaning. A tuple like Tokyo, 2003, 32450 is a record with city, year, and population fields. Unpacking lets you extract fields, city, year, pop equals the tuple. You can swap variables with A, B equals B, A, no temporary variable needed. The star prefix captures excess items, first, star rest equals range of 5. Python 3.10 introduced match case for structural pattern matching. You can destructure sequences right in the case clause. Case bracket go, direction matches a two-element sequence starting with go. Star captures remaining items, just like in unpacking. Guard clauses add conditions, case bracket x, y if x greater than 0. Python slicing is more powerful than most developers realize. S bracket a colon b colon c actually calls underscore getitem underscore with a slice object. You can create named slices, SKU equals slice 0 to 6, then use line bracket SKU. This replaces cryptic magic numbers with self-documenting code. You can even assign to slices to modify sequences in place. Python has specialized sequence types for performance. Array.array stores flat C-type numbers, much less memory than a list of floats. Collections.deque gives O of 1 append and pop from both ends and it's thread safe. Memoryview allows zero-copy slicing of binary data. Use list for mixed types, but switch to array or deque when performance matters.
Let's build a Cartesian product with a Listcomp. Given colors black and white and sizes S, M, L, we write t-shirts equals bracket tuple C, S for C in colors for S in sizes. This produces 6 tuples, every color size combination. The order follows the for clauses, just like nested for loops. Tuple unpacking shines in for loops. Given a list of passport tuples with country and number, we iterate with for country, number in records. Each tuple is automatically unpacked into the two variables. Use underscore as a dummy variable for fields you don't need. Named slices make fixed width file parsing readable. Instead of line bracket 0:6, create a named slice, SKU equals slice 0,6. Then write line bracket SKU dot strip. Named slices are reusable and self-documenting, much better than scattering magic numbers through your code. Comparing deque versus list for queue operations. A deque with maxlen of 10 automatically drops the oldest item when full. A pendulft and pop left allay O of 1, constant time. For a regular list, inserting at position 0 is O of n, it shifts all elements. Always use deque for first in first out queues or sliding windows.
Important tips for working with sequences. Prefer listcomps over map and filter. They are more readable and often faster. Use Genexps with parentheses when you only need to iterate, not store the whole list. Remember, tuples are records. Position gives meaning to each field. Use deque for queues. It's thread safe and O(1) at both ends. For more concept videos like this, download the Selection with Sathi app. Like and subscribe. Thank you.